Join Ash and I as we transform our typical home, bringing California to Coffs Harbour for that Palm Springs inspired reno. So firstly, we're going to turn this dated and damp laundry into a stunning studio apartment.
Ultimately, we want to have a space that we can use for family to stay or have the option to rent it out.
Stage one is planning and designing. So right now in our laundry is a lot of yellow and red brick. We're lacking a lot of space, so we can take down that wall. So the bed, thought of the idea of having it in the wall.
And you just keep the bathroom here.
Keep the bathroom, because I was thinking, you got the toilet there, all the water and waste, and then you've got the shower behind this wall.
In a studio conversion, every square inch counts, so you've got to think about zones in one room. Okay, so you're telling me bathroom,
Yes.
kitchen, living space,
Yeah.
storage,
Yes.
its own lounge,
Yep.
bed, all in this space. Cool, let's do it. So once we've got all of our ideas together, we consult with the building designer or architect, and then that makes it so much easier for council approval. I love seeing these plans because it helps me understand that there's enough storage for someone to live there.
First thing, get council approval, and then the second is my favourite,
What is it?
is get a shovel and start digging. Hey guys, I thought I'd give you a quick update. We've got to install this beautiful slider, which is our entry into our studio. We've also paired that with this beautiful bifold door. So we are all ready to tile, and it's really cool because it's got this cool like grey tones with this like brown vein running through it. I just like saying veins and tones because it makes me look smart. We took a while to design because it's such a small space that we've got to try and utilise every single corner, nook, cranny, making the bed off the frame and making the storage off the frame meant that we can utilise the floor space. Then we can sound check it.
When you say sound check, you mean gyprock, right?
Yeah, so it's soundproof so you don't hear anyone upstairs.
I would recommend anyone doing something that's going to be a studio, figure out exactly how much you should be spending so you're not overcapitalizing on one small area.
It's better than ever. Have you heard the words?
So as you can see, the place has been completely transformed, and we decided to go with a massive white couch, but because it's white, it doesn't dominate the room.
Simon hates shopping.
Hate it, just pick
Hate
one
shopping.
store, get your stuff out.
We went to Beaumont's and we went to Oz Design, and that was it. We've got a queen bed in the bed nook, and we used this little space for a little bit of storage and ornaments.
We've got our little secret storage. It's hanging off the slab so this doesn't change the footprint. Pull it together, Pokey.
These sheets are amazing.
It's better than ever. Have you heard?
And then we have the open kitchen that also acts as extra bench space.
And it brings the outdoors in. You've got a nice servery and some place to eat outside. So the bathroom's really small, but we were able to achieve a larger appearance through our tile selections. Here's a little tile tip. So we laid the tiles horizontally, which makes the room feel bigger. You want to work with the room, not against it. While some of our design choices may be retro and mid-century modern, our exterior cladding is definitely a nod to modern Australian architecture thanks to colour-bond steel mat in shale grey.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this helpful.
In an ever-changing market, it's always a great time to think of creative ways for you to add value to your home.
You